Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam
warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, everyone, we are from group 5. Our group is consists of 5 members. The first speaker is Azizah Rahma Hanifah, and the second speaker is me, Ayur Hadianti. For the third speaker is Nur Hayati. For the third speaker is Dewi, and the fourth speaker is Gandhi, and the fifth speaker is Nur Hayati. Next. Sorry, next. Next. Halo, siapa yang bisa?
Citra,
Kamu yang jadi ini nggak sih?
Citra yang itu yang share screen.
Tolong Citra next. Udah soal. Okay, our material is consists of 3 parts. The first part is definition of modern tragedy. The second part is features of modern tragedy. The third part is tolong dong next. Udah di sini sih kan harusnya kan. And the third or the last is elements of modern tragedy dari cerita The Death of Salesman. Okay, for the first material will be delivered by Azizah Rahma Hanifah. For Azizah Rahma Hanifah, time is yours.
Okay, thank you, Ayu. The first material about definition of modern tragedy. According to Raymond William, 1966, in his book Modern Tragedy Stage, tragedy for us has been mainly the conflict between an individual and the forces that destroy him. In other words, the modern tragic hero is one of ordinary, working life who suffer individually because of external forces such as oppression, poverty, rigid social convention, commercialization, anything which is externally antagonistic to the protagonist. Next slide, Citra. Okay, the next is feature of modern tragedy. There are 7 features of modern tragedy. The first is modern tragedy may have more than one central character. A story has a central character that acts as the focus of the audience emotional attachment to the story. This main character is the Kenjut trope, whom the audience experience the story subjectively. The second is protagonist usually has a common middle class background. A protagonist is the main character or principal character or group of characters in a story. The author used the protagonist to push the story forward. The protagonist's goal reflects the overall purpose of the story. The plot moves forward based on the protagonist's decisions, and the plot of their character is what the reader follows throughout the story. And the next is protagonist may be a white, black, or gray character. Gray characters are the intermediate between a villain and a hero. They are neither wholly bad nor good, which is what makes them such interesting additions to a story. A gray character walks the thin line between hero and villain, and their own morality through their action and environment. Okay, the next material will be explanation by Ayu Rahadianti. Ayu, time is yours.
Okay, thank you, Iza. Next. Tolong citranya. Okay. For the next material is modern tragedy may have multiple plots. Article 1985 says there are 3 types of plots. The first one is flashback plot, and the second one is mixed plot. This plot is used to display events in the past, and the second is flash forward plot. This plot is easier to understand because the author tells the story chronologically. For the elements of plot according to text pyramids, the first one is expositions or beginning of the story. The second one is rising actions, di mana mulainya muncul konflik dalam plot, and the third one is climax, puncak konflik dalam sebuah drama. The fourth one is falling actions, and the last one is resolutions or the end of the story. Selanjutnya adalah have more realistic time span. In the modern tragedy drama, time span is represent time interval atau jangka waktu, like duration of time. Contohnya adalah 7 o'clock or elapsed time. Contohnya seperti a week ago or last year or in the 1985. Story is about ordinary people and their problems, ambition, and aspiration. If in the classical tragedy is about elite people or isinya adalah orang-orang bangsawan, but in the modern tragedy, the story of drama is about ordinary people or orang biasa dengan segala masalah yang mereka hadapi dalam drama itu sendiri. For the last one is use elements and sarcasm. Irony is the use of word where the meaning is the opposite of the usual meaning or what is expected to happen. There are third irony. The first one is situational irony. The second one is dramatic irony, and the last one is verbal irony. Situational irony is described as sharp inconsistency between the expected result and actual result in a certain situation. For dramatic irony, this is a literary device mostly and used in theater, where the implication of characters' word or action is clear to the audience or reader, although unknown to the character. For verbal irony, is a statement or a comment where the intended meaning is vastly different from the meaning apparently expressed. Okay, for di sini ada for the sarcasm biasanya ada dalam Greek drama. Sarcasm can be defined as a sharp, bitter, and cutting remark or expression. In most cases, it's insulting and derogatory and is used with the intentions of making person ridiculed and embraced. Example, if a person experiences a bad thing and says, "This is just what I need," terrific, then that person is sarcastic. If someone asks, "Nice perfume, must you marinate in it?" from another, that person is sarcastically stating that the other person is wearing too much perfume. Okay, for the next material will be delivered by Dewi Surya. For Dewi, time is yours.
The third material is the elements of modern tragedy in Arthur Miller's Death of Salesman. The first is setting. The play has a modern setting. Thus, the play is set in 1949, but the times of the play fluctuate between a point in 1942 and another time in 1928. Two is the plot. As far as plot is concerned, Miller is almost as perfect as the classical dramatics. Structurally, the play is treated tightly like Oedipus Rex. There are no digressions, and Willy Loman march inexorably from the beginning to his catastrophic doom. Like the classical tragedy, his death is also not shown on the stage, keeping violence off stage, while the Requiem section functioned in the manner of a great chorus. The next material will be delivered by Gandhi.
Next, Ci. Cid. Next lagi. Next. Lagi. Okay. Okay. Point number 3 is song and spectacle. Song is important because it helps create environment and our emotional, our reaction to the drama. And spectacle refers to visual element of the drama, set, costume, and special effect. Okay, next point is tragic hero. The most important factor in which the play differs from the classical tragedy is the presentation of the tragic hero. According to Miller, an effort man can be adapted subject for the tragedy, as the excel of tragic action is not only for the kings or the kingly, but also property of all men. Thank you very much. Next material will be delivered by Nurhayati.
Thank you. Next is good and bad. In the beginning, Willy was not completely evil. He really cares about his family and children, but at the same time, he has secret relationship with women. Thus, he becomes both good and bad. Next is not noble but human. Willy does not necessarily have a noble birth on par with heroes like Oedipus or Hamlet. Next. Chitra, next. Next is tragic flaw. He always puts face value and takes it for granted for any kind of success in the world. This wrong conception led him to commit suicide. Next is tragic feeling. Like the classic tragedy, it also focuses our feelings of pity and fear. He was wrong, but he didn't deserve to be punished that way. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Back to moderator.
That's all from us. If you have a question or suggestions, you can type on the textbook or directly ask to us. Thank you. Okay, that's all about our presentations. Hope it understand well. Thank you for your nice attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.